Daniel just got some spiders. He's having a little spider fight. And Richie and I are about to go to Michelle's house. We got him a bunch of books that are from you guys. Thank you. And this is from booksforless.ph. We're gonna go hand these off and then they can exchange them when they're finished. And also we have another really big surprise for Michelle and her family. So we're gonna go there today and give it to them and surprise them. And we're also gonna do some cooking. I can't remember what we're cooking.
Popcorn and
gulaman. Popcorn and what?
Gulaman.
And gulaman. All right, so cool. I've never seen popcorn made here yet, so that should be fun. So we're gonna pack these up and we're gonna walk over there now. So we'll see you soon. We were singing and the carabao over there was singing with us.
You sing.
What song? What song?
The Kichi
So I'm at Michelle's now, and just to recap to some of the things that we've done together, big thanks to you guys. Before I give them the surprise, before they did not have a CR, so we built them a CR because of you guys. And then also, Jency is in John's room right now. We built this in an extra room. We painted the walls. We put some new roof on over there because there was holes in it. And then we added this room. Before this was just flat, it was just an open area. So we added an extra room here. And we painted all the walls over here. And over here they added to the kitchen. And then outside here, it's an extra cooking area. So now they can cook outside or inside. And then inside, we put flooring on all the floors. And here's the inside of that room.
The room is right here.
And then we extended this a little bit. And then out here. Then we got them the refrigerator. There's some ice cubes now. Before they used to get ice cubes from the neighbor, so now they don't have to do that anymore. They can just make their own ice cubes here. And here's the extra room. And here's the kitchen. We're about to eat some popcorn, I think. Nice. And then we also got them some baby clothes, some other clothes donations. We got them a 50-kilo bag of rice before. And a whole bunch of other things. I'm probably missing a few things, but and it's all thanks to you guys.
Well, let's go look the poppers.
Oh, want to go check it out?
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna check out the popcorn. I never made it here in the Philippines yet. I used to make it at home, so I want to see the similarities. Oh, nice. 5-second rule. Very good. That's a safe spot to watch cooking. You don't have to worry about the oil splatters.
Nah.
Nice. Nasarap. Lamig kayo. Salt is really good on it, and sometimes for kettle corn, you can put sugar on it as well. Which one do you think is gonna pop first? I think that one right there. Oh, that one! Number 2, which I think is the second one's gonna pop. Over there.
There.
It's pretty fun to watch. John's gonna add some salt. Alright. Time to test it out. Very good. Yeah.
Linda Marie.
Nagluto na niya kanang kagumpo na na siya. Ano siya, galing na siya. Magluto.
ZG's wearing his new outfit. this is the spatula that we got for him. Nice. Look over there.
Okay, talk to him.
Hey, what's that over there? Look.
Wait, this is only 5.
Hey, what's up? Up here. Up here. Look. Up here. Look. Hey.
Spider.
Ooh, a spider. They're gonna show me their spider collection. Safe spot to be, John. Very cool. So usually if you see a matchbox, there's usually not matches inside. It is actually a spider. Salamat. And some nice cold juice thanks to the refrigerator and the ice inside.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, so this is Michelle's family. ZG's running around somewhere. First we'll start off, we got some more books, and then you can exchange these whenever you're finished. We got some children's Bible stories, beginner Bible stories, and a comic book for John, and some more Bible stories. And then whenever you guys are finished with those, you can just exchange them for more, or keep them as long as you want. And then this is a shout out for Beruel family from Washington, D.C. Thank you very much to Beruel family from Washington, D.C. So through the progress, we've gotten a refrigerator, we redid the floor, we added 2 extra rooms, baby clothes, a CR, probably other things I'm forgetting. But with the extra rooms and the refrigerator, that probably means an extra cost for the electric bill each month. So this is 23,000 pesos.
Wow.
Yeah. So that'll help with the refrigerator, electricity bill, and all that stuff, and whatever else you need it. But each child can get one. 1,000 for you.
Thank you. Thank you, Lord.
No problem, John.
Thank you.
And then ZG, I'll give yours to your mom. But the rest is for you, okay?
Thank you sa puhunan na kung hindi yung puhunan. Thank you.
And this
Thank
is
you.
a neighbor
Thank you,
kid.
sponsor. Thank you.
Yeah, you guys, thank you very much. It's it's amazing.
It's crying. Wish na.
And I know with the electricity, with the new refrigerator and the 2 extra rooms,
Wow.
it'll probably make her cost go a little bit higher. So hopefully that helps for a little while.
Thank you, Nesty.
Oh, no problem. No problem.
Thank you.
I'm very happy for you guys. This is such a deserving family, and I've been meeting them a lot, just coming here, and first they're strangers and friends, and now, everyone around here is starting to feel like family. So again, thank you guys very much. And we're gonna, I think we have one more thing to cook, right?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Gulaman.
Gulaman. All right, so we have some popcorn, and then we're gonna cook some gulaman. All right, cool.
Wow.
So again, thank you guys very much.
Surprise.
Thank you guys very much, guys. All right. So hopefully you like these books, and whatever you want to exchange them for new ones, you guys can. We have a lot coming in now. Remember, that's from booksforless.ph. So there's many kids around here that really do appreciate these books. Hey! This is Nimwell's children. He's the one that was helping build the house. They live right down there.
The security guard.
The security guard.
Dave.
These kids here, they're actually they're cousins, and they're around our neighborhood too, and they got some books as well. I didn't bring enough for them today, but they're around all the time, and they got books as well. Michelle's using her outdoor kitchen / cooking area. So out here comes in handy. They can wash dishes and they can cook as well. They can store things down there. And some of the hotter days you can cook outside so you don't have to have the smoke inside. All right, so we're gonna cook gulaman, and this is chocolate flavor. So for gulaman, we're just using this powder, this chocolate powder, brown sugar, and then we're gonna have 7 cups of water.
7 glasses.
Next is the brown sugar.
Brown sugar or white sugar?
Okay.
Three.
Malama.
So we're gonna let that cook for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll check on it later. This is ZG's book from last time. Helicopter. Airplane.
Dustin.
All right, ice candy.
Babysitter. I'm babysitter. If she will cry, I will cry too.
I don't think that's what babysitters are supposed to do.
Sup-sup niya ba?
And these are the clothes we got for Linda Marie last time.
Hi.
She's almost asleep.
It's hard to make her sleep. Now she's
She's going. Almost asleep.
nasa yung ilante.
Smells like hot cocoa or hot chocolate. Alright, so next step is to put it in the refrigerator. Just see if that fits, hopefully. Okay. Alright.
Rain is coming.
It's raining.
Rain is coming. Rain.
I think the rain is here.
Stupid dalaw. What is that? Okay. Yay, Dustin. Dustin. Hey, Dustin, look. Dustin. Wow.
Oh!
It's so cool.
So this is Kian. She's been in other videos as well. She's a really good dancer. You might have seen her in the other videos. But she is a seller as well. She's selling barbecue today. And she's a very hard worker as well. She's always around selling. And now since we're kind of stuck here, she can't really sell. So I'm gonna buy everything she has. I'm not sure exactly how much she has, but I think, do you think 500 will cover it?
Come on.
Whatever's left over, you can keep the rest, okay? No problem. But she's a very hard worker. She's always walking around selling stuff. So since we're stuck here, we might as well eat some food.
Hoy, di ka kids, oy. 1, 2, dali. 1, 2, 3. Kadit. Kadit. Okay, why is it?
Thank you. No problem. No problem.
Mami, step. Come on, there. You put
As much as you want. Mitchie, you're gonna miss out.
Thank you.
No problem.
How about you?
Oh, we just saw some lightning out here. Michelle just gave me some peanut butter. She made this herself. It's my first time ever having homemade peanut butter. That's good. Alright, so the galaman does take a while to cool down and turn into the jello. So we do have to leave.
Thank you.
No problem. See you later. No problem. See you guys later. It's very lapuk out here. So we had to leave a little early. It takes a while for that galaman to turn into the harder substance, or it's like jello, I think. So it takes a while to do that. So we had to leave. We're gonna go. We have a few more donations to do. But again, thank you guys very much. She was very happy with that. And now, bye. And now with the refrigerators, the extra rooms, the electricity bill might be a little bit higher. So that extra money will help her pay for that, and then have some extra. Now she has a baby. So she can use the money for that if she needs some medicine or for any other things. So again, thank you guys very much, and we'll keep checking up with Michelle's family so you guys can kind of see them every once in a while. But I think from here we'll probably move on to a different project, so very excited for that. I'm not sure who's next yet, but it will be exciting. It's very, very slippery through here. But you guys take care, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.